The first time I came across the horse gelatin for men, I expected it to be just another confusing trend with a long list of steps. But after looking into it, I realized the routine itself is actually quite simple. The real challenge is that there are so many different versions online. Some leave out key ingredients, while others completely change the preparation process. If you want to see the original explanation, including the complete recipe and the detail that many videos don't mention, click the link in the first pinned comment and watch the full presentation.